All right, welcome back to Texas Today. Your time right now, 5:11.
So let's get you a check of the forecast this morning with Chief Meteorologist Matt Farrell. It is a weather impact alert day.
Well, good morning, Central Texas. Starting off your full weather forecast with a reminder that today is a weather impact alert day here across Central Texas. Not for anything that's happening this morning, but by the time we get to this afternoon, this evening, we're going to see some thunderstorms moving in from the west, out ahead of a cold front out there in West Texas. And with that, we're going to see the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Timing is going to start right around 4 o'clock this afternoon. It's actually going to run through the overnight and through the pre-daybreak hours tomorrow morning. As behind that dry line, there's also a cold front that could spark off a second round of thunderstorms. So that's right, we could have 2 rounds potentially of severe weather. Large hail, damaging winds, those would be the main concerns. I'm going to say the large hail, more of the evening threat. The overnight threat is going to switch to more of that wind threat. Your need, of course, is to stay up to date with the forecast throughout the day today, and just make sure that as we head into tonight that you have that way to receive alerts and make sure it's audible just in case we get some very strong storms through the overnight hours. Like I said, nothing out there this morning of any concern. We're starting off on the mild side, lower to middle 70s across Central Texas. We're going to get some peaks of sunshine through the afternoon, and that's one of the things that's going to help us get that instability back in the atmosphere and kind of start to set the scene for those potential severe storms later on this evening and into tonight. So here's a look. So first we have the dry line out to the west. That's going to kick off some thunderstorms that are going to move towards Central Texas. And again, this first round, we're talking isolated, scattered activity. So not everybody's going to see this, but again, strong to severe storms will be possible across parts of Central Texas through about 8, 9, 10 o'clock before it moves off to the south and kind of falls apart. After that, we turn our attention to the north. That's where that cold front is. Now, this is going to be the potential round 2 of potential severe thunderstorms as we head through the overnight hours after midnight here. You can see it moving into our northern counties. As it moves from northwest to southeast, we do expect it to lose strength. So not everybody's going to see severe weather overnight, but those that do, it would be primarily a wind risk as these storms come through. Should move out, be right around daybreak there, and then we'll have a more quiet morning. But then this afternoon, on your Wednesday afternoon, we're going to see more potential showers and thunderstorms start to develop throughout the rest of your Wednesday. But I do think the severe threat goes down for Wednesday afternoon. So that's a look at the situation, the timing. So what are we expecting? Well, we have that level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather for mainly areas west of I-35. For the evening tonight, it's going to be mainly a large hail threat. For the late night, again, strong wind gusts. That's going to be that after midnight portion. And again, best chances are going to be to the west and to the north. Beyond that, we do have some rain chances in the forecast the rest of the week, but mainly they stay to the north. We might see a storm or 2 sneak in from the north, but really ultimately as we head through that Friday through Sunday time frame, it does look like things stay mainly dry across Central Texas. There's that weather impact alert for today. Beyond that, again, storm chances potentially into Thursday, but after that we're going to be mostly dry through the weekend before next week we kick up another daily chance for showers and thunderstorms starting on Monday.
All right, well, don't forget, you can see Matt's full forecast all morning long. All you have to do is download it on our 6 Plus app. It is free.